Hi, in this video I will show you how you can insert your memory card to your Redmi A5. You need to have memory card, of course, and this needle which comes with Redmi A5 in this box. Now take our smartphone, and here's the location where this SIM card slots and SD memory card slot. Let's do it like that. Insert it very carefully and take it out. Also very carefully. It's very easy to break. Okay, just like that. And take your memory card and place it just like that. Now let's take our phone and do it like that. Very carefully. Okay, that's all. And as you can see, here is the SD card for storing photos, videos, music and more. And actually that's all. This is files from the memory card. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye.